boy, it's just a rug, you guys. He did it. Oh, wait. What is this? Look at them trying to figure it out. Oh, brave boy. Wait, what? He just came back and went right to sleep. Okay, then.
It's okay, Ice. Just a rug, buddy.
Come on, Ice. Come here, little man.
See? Look. Flat.
Come on, it's safe. Ice thinks it's real.
Good boy. See? Nothing there.
Brave one. There you go. See? Totally fine. Now everybody's coming.
Look at him. He thinks it's a hole.
It's just a rug, buddy. Come here.
He does not trust that floor at all.
Rex, see? Look, it's flat. Come on.
He tapped it.
Brave boy, jump.
There he
Here comes the cat. No hesitation, straight over the portal. Scout's not so sure about it. Look at him. Nose first, careful paws, and nope, too weird. Everybody's backing up. Meanwhile, Princess proves.
She doesn't even look down. Straight across like it's nothing. Now watch the boys. Tiptoe, tiptoe, and there goes the bunny. Perfectly fine. Embarrassing. Okay, now everyone's brave.
Okay, brave guy.
There you go. Now everybody knows. did it come from? Okay, that's wild.
Whoa.
I'm falling.
You made a hero.
And the cat just, okay.
Look at you, fearless. Good job, Tutu.
What is that?
Come on, Crystal.
It's just a rug girl.
Crystal thinks it's real.
You can do it. Come across. Good girl.
She's not buying it at all.
It's flat, see?
Look at her, she doesn't care at all. Brave kitty. Meanwhile, they're convinced it's a cliff. Wait, what? Is that a tiny double?
That is hilarious.
Cat says it's fine, guys.
Z, one paw at a time. You're okay.
Look at that teamwork back there.
Brave crew. And Miss Thing already thinks she owns the hallway.
She kind of does.
What's the matter, Misty? You think it's real?
Come here, girl. It's just a rug. Look.
Missy thinks it's a hole.
Come on, it's flat. See my hand? Good girl.
You can do it, brave girl.
There you go.
Yeah, okay, look. All right, it's your rug now, huh?
He doesn't care at all about it. Watch the pups, though. Yep, they think Cat's just showing off now.
Go on, Jack.
He thinks it's real.
Come here, buddy. It's just a rug. Look, see? Solid. Come on.
He's like, nope. That's a pit.
Jack, it's okay. Come across.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
You guys are too much.
Whoa, what just happened?
Oh my gosh, look at him. He thinks it's a hole.
Come on, Oliver. It's just a rug, buddy.
He is not buying
Oliver!
Over here. Come on. You can do it. It's flat. Come here.
There he goes. Good boy.
Where did that come from? The boys are freaking out.
They think it's real. Look at that. Oh, here goes the cat. Doesn't care at all. Careful, buddy. Whoa, what? Where did you come from? Okay, now everyone's freaking out. It's just a rug, guys. Look at him. He just doesn't care. Oh, brave boy. Wait, what? He just went through it and he's back. Totally fine. Dogs are like, nope. Cat's like, what? Oh, Max is convinced it's a real hole. Look, he's creeping. Ollie, go help him. She's like, nope, not going in there.
Daisy's warning everybody. Hear her?
Oh my gosh, she's sitting in the middle now.
All right, Kitty doesn't care at all. Tutu, you gonna try it? Oh, that was brave. Good girl. Here you go. You earned it. See? Totally safe.
just a rug, guys.
Go on, 3-3. It's just a rug. Wait. Oh my gosh. There's 2 of them. That's wild.
You okay, buddy? It's just a rug, see? Brave boy. Come on, you guys. It's safe. There we go.
Brave kitty. You guys aren't so sure, huh? Did that just ripple? You're fine. It's just a rug.
Okay, it's just a rug. See? Kitty doesn't care. Oh, wow. Brave boy, you went right through. Look at you strutting. You're the hero now, huh?
Oh, whoa! He made it. See? Totally fine. You guys are so dramatic.
Look at them trying to figure it out. The cat doesn't care at all. Go on, it's just a rug. There you go. Now it's a trampoline.
Look at him trying to figure it out. Brave boy. Look at that face. Oh my gosh, there's a whole galaxy down there. He made it!
I guess it's safe now. Brave kitty.
Whoa, okay. It's just a rug, guys.
Cat's not buying it for a second.
He's too cool.
So, which clip cracked you up the most? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button, tap subscribe, totally free, and it helps us bring you even more ridiculous and heart-melting pet moments. Thanks for hanging.
Week, hold on to your Santa hats. YouPounce.com is pouncing in. It's totally free. It's got endless clips, and it's basically the TikTok and YouTube of pet videos, only fluffier. Expect corgis in reindeer gear, kittens in elf suits, bunnies sipping cocoa, and every laugh out loud, heart melt moment